What's up? This is the 1B, and I'm back doing another thumbnail creation in Adobe Photoshop. This one is on a video editing video. This thumbnail is for a video editing thumbnail, so we're using my video editing template that I've created for video editing thumbnail template I've created. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put video editing. And if you noticed, maybe in some of my previous videos that I was using a black text, I decided to switch to this white text. It just stands out more. Let's hit V, center this, go ahead and grab the text tool, which is actually T. So even though I'm still used to clicking it, I'm trying to get better at these hotkeys. And this is going to be for Star Trek, TOS, recap, season 2 recap. Video editing the Star Trek the original series season 2 recap thumbnail creation. Video editing thumbnail creation 4. Could put 4 in the middle. What do you think? Hold Alt, duplicate. This will give you duplicated text with all the effects. And we're going to go ahead and click it. Drag it to the center, which doesn't really matter at this point because I'm going to readjust everything. Enough. Hit V, center, center. File, save as, editing thumbnails, new, video editing, Star Trek, TOS, season 2, recap, thumbnail creation. Maybe I don't need to save video editing in the thumbnail. Well, no, because that's what I'm doing is video editing. Star Trek TOS season 2 thumbnail creation. Video editing. Everything doesn't need to be capitalized. Dang it. Video editing. Star Trek creation. We're gonna go ahead and slap a V1 at the end of that. We'll save it. Video editing thumbnail creation for Star Trek TOS. How do we feel? West TOS. E. A little more than 0. 10. That's good enough. This one. 10. Happy with that. Maybe that's a little too close. Okay, let's go ahead and shrink that. Because now, I can put 4 there. And then we'll hit accept, we'll hit V, we will center. Video editing, thumbnail creation for Star Trek TOS SO2 recap. So I'm video editing the thumbnail creation for Star Trek, the original series, season 2 recap. Bam! Control S for save. File, export, quick export. Video editing Star Trek. Yep. Bam! Save. Woo! Now I'm gonna put that up on YouTube. This video will go live sometime within the next 2 weeks. So while I'm putting this one up on YouTube, hopefully you'll go and watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.